So guys, welcome back. Today let's talk on the topic of walks, trials, path, cycles and circuits in a graph. So let's discuss on all these topics in this today's session. So the first one is our walk. So a walk is a sequence of vertices and edges. So it's a sequence of both your vertices and edges of a graph. That is, like if we traverse a graph, then we get a walk. So here there is another clue which says vertices can be repeated, edges can be repeated, which means you can traverse in a graph to any direction, and even your vertices as well as edges can be repeated. So here 1, 2, 3, 3 to 2, 4 to 2 and 1 and 1 to 3, so on. So let's see how a walk traverses. So 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 2 and 2 to 1, and it's 1 to 3. So which means it is a sequence. It's going in a canonical order, which is a sequence. Okay, where your vertices as well as your edges can be repeated. You can even travel more number of vertices and more number of edges at the same time. That's your walk. So next we'll go to walk can be in both open and closed. So walk can repeat anything, edges or vertices. So what is an open walk? So a walk is said to be open if the starting and the ending vertices are different. That is, the origin vertex and terminal vertex are different. So here in the diagram I have a open walk example. So it is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3 and 3 is stopped. It's not gone to 1. So an open walk is your starting vertex and ending vertex should be different. So here 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, it's going to 4 to 5, 5 to 3. So this is your open walk. So what is closed walk? So walk is said to be closed if the starting and ending vertices are identical, which means it has to land on the same point. That is, the walk starts and ends the same vertex, then it's said to be a closed walk. See, your example here is your starting for closed walk, its starting and ending is the same. Whereas for your open walk, your starting vertex and your ending vertex will be different. You can always see in the diagram that it is having different direction, which 1 and 3 does not mean. So what about your closed walk? So closed 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3 and 3 is coming to 1, which means it's traversing the complete graph and it's coming back to the same position. That is nothing but your closed walk. So next let's see trial. So trial is an open walk. Open walk in sense we discussed, it is if it is a starting and ending vertices are different. The starting and your ending vertices will be different. So a walk with no edge is repeated. It also has a category where your edge is not repeated but your vertex can be repeated. So which means your vertex can be repeated but your edge should not be repeated. So here let's take an example. 1 to 3, 3 to 8 and 8 to 6 and 6 to 3 and 3 to 2 is a trial. It is an open walk. Okay, and there are also something called as closed trial, where your closed in the sense your starting vertex as well as your ending vertex will be the same. So here there is another scenario where your edges should not be repeated. Your no edge will be repeated. So here if I traverse from 1 to 3, 3 to 8, 8 to 6 and 6 to 3, I cannot come back again to 8, but I can travel the same vertex again and again, and 3 to 2 is your open trial. The same goes for closed trial. It's 2 to 1. Your starting point and your ending point will be this is your starting as well as your ending. So your starting and your ending point will be the same, which means your vertices can be repeated, but your edge should not be repeated. That is nothing but your trial. So next is a circuit. So circuit means traversing a graph such that no edge is repeated, but vertex can be repeated. So your edge here won't be repeated, but your vertex will be repeated. It is closed also, that is, it's a closed trial. So your closed trial is nothing but your circuit. So trial is also called as an open walk. I'm writing in short form. And your circuit is also called as your closed trial, which means walk, you have two types, that is open walk and closed walk. So your open walk is nothing but your trial, and your closed trial is nothing but your circuit. So let's see how a circuit traverses. Same like closed trial itself, your vertices will not be repeated, your edges won't be repeated, but your vertices will be repeated. So if I traverse from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, and 3 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 3, and 3 to 1. I could have either traversed anyway, 3 to 8 and 8 to 6 and 1. Your vertices can be repeated, but your edge should not be repeated. Okay. So next is a path. A path, okay, it is a trial in which neither vertices nor edges are repeated. So here your vertex and your edge should not be repeated. That's a path. That is, if we traverse a graph in such that we do not repeat a vertex nor repeat an edge, as a path is also a trial, that is also an open walk. Okay, but here your vertices and your edges won't be repeated. So let's see. Suppose here 6 is my starting point. I will traverse from 6 to 8, 8 to 3, 3 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 4, which means I am not coming back to the same point, but I am traversing in a path in such a way that I'm traversing in such a way that none of your edges as well as your vertices will be repeated. So next is a cycle. So traversing a graph such that we do not repeat a vertex nor we repeat an edge, but the starting and ending vertex must be the same. So which means here your vertices will not be repeated, your edge also won't be repeated. That is, if we can repeat the starting and ending vertex only then we get a cycle. So here if I traverse from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, and again 3 to 1 without even overflying or without even crossing over other edges or other vertices, I have been traversing to make a cycle. That means to complete it from the starting vertex and end it even in the ending vertex, which is your destination. So a cycle is a closed path. Okay, these cannot have repeat anything, neither edges nor edges, like how we discussed. No vertices will be repeated nor edges will be repeated. So this is a table that I have been created for what is repeated and what is not repeated for you to understand. Like how we said, walk, yes, your edges and your vertices. So this is your starting point and your end point. So in the walk, if we take walk, your edges is allowed and your vertices is allowed to repeat, which means you can traverse completely and you can even repeat your edges and vertices. Starting and ending points, yes, it's allowed. Must contain at least one edge. No, there is no such rule that it has to contain at least one edge. No. So trial is where your vertices has been repeated and your starts and ends at the same point. Path, you do not have anything such as vertex repeated or edge repeated or starting and ending points will be same or must contain. No, there's nothing like that. It's just a traversing a path without repeating anything. Your closed walk, yes, repeated is allowed. Walk, this is a closed walk. And repeating vertex, yes. Starting and ending at the same point, yes. Must continuously, no, this is not valid. Circuit, you can repeat a vertex, but you cannot repeat an edge. You can start at the same point, yes. Circuit, simple circuit, and your closed walk is all closed, is all having your starting and ending vertices will be starting at the same point. So must contain at least one edge, yes, because your vertices will be traversed only once and it cannot be repeated. Simple circuit, no, first and last only, starts and end at the same point, must contain at least one edge.